Well, this right here is when it sucks, so I'm gonna get wet. Everybody better put their seatbelt on because it's going to be a long day in this weather, but at least I got me a free windshield washing and I didn't have to do it, so I'll take that every day, all day long, and it washed all that dust off my truck. We're going to get on out of here. We got 300 miles till our fuel stop in Abilene. So I'll probably take my 30-minute break there. Alrighty, just like that. Here we go. It's okay, Roxy. Somebody screwed the pooch up here. Oh, holy moly. It's a rollover. It is an 18-wheeler rolled over. No, it's not an 18. It's a, holy fuck. Rolling into the Pilot in Colby, Kansas. I reserved a spot here. Last time I parked here, that's the exit only. Last time I parked here, it was full, and I had to go on down to the TA and park about 20 or 30 miles up the road. So I just used my points. Look at this. This place is empty. I just wasted those points. But that's okay. I don't know where the reserve parking is, but it's right here. We'll go flip around and do a pull through. Miss Roxy, I know she's tired of riding today. I don't know if y'all saw that corn over there, but I'm gonna have to go down here and flip around and come back. But that looked awful tempting. Can I get on that front row? Yeah, I can get over there. Swing it on out there. I forget I only got a 53-foot trailer. I don't have to be doing all the swinging that I'm a-swinging. But we're still a-swinging. So it's 8:03 where we're delivering at. So we'll leave at 7 here. It'll be 6 there. That'll put us there right on time. Just like that, we survived another day. I'm crooked as all heck. Pull up here and straighten up and look like I know what I'm doing. Look at Roxy. She's just dragging me this corn over here. No, she's dragging me to the grass. I'm gonna blame it on her if I steal some of it. No, I'm not gonna steal his corn. I'm gonna try not to anyways. Got Roxy off the chain. I'm gonna see if she'll behave or not. Come here. Let her. She is wound up. I guess the farmer's corn is safe tonight. Look how pitiful his crop is. I hope this type of corn is supposed to be like that for feed or something. I don't know. But if not, this farmer's gonna need all this corn. Because some of it, the tassel's already brown, and look how small it is. Could have stepped in a hole. But yeah, that's kind of pitiful. morning, 6 a.m. in Colby, Kansas. That's going to be a pre-sunrise. With no trees out here, you get the whole view when it starts to come up. Roxy, she's on the hunt this morning. I'm gonna walk her a little bit and then we're gonna row. It's 101 miles to my delivery. Well, this is the fun part of flatbed. I've been running through cornfields and everything.
Right onto County Road K.
And I'm having to use GPS coordinates to get me here. I've never had to do that before. So we'll see if it'll get me there or not. This is going to work out. He will not answer his phone, so here we go. Oh God, this is going to suck if I screwed up. This is it up here. I know the truck brought those in here. I can get my ass out of here anyways. Oh, these can be nerve-wracking. Who knew they still had so many gravel roads out here? But darn, I don't know where I turn in at. That looks like a freaking mud hole.
Your destination is on the right.
We're definitely not turning in right there. That ain't gonna happen. They got this one blocked off. Dude. Oh God. Guess they're getting ready to build a substation out here. We'll go see where they want us. Yay, we made it. I just almost got buried in the mud over there. That shit was not fun at all. I guess I got what it takes to pull me out. My boots on, but I got into a little bit of mud. I should have put them on before I did this, but I haven't been in this kind of mess in a while. I get started. it's about, what time is it? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. My fleet manager's left me sit here all day. He sent me a load going to Minnesota into a freight dead area. One of my friends just sat up there for 9 hours without a load. So I'm not going to Minnesota. And then he sent me another little $1,100 load trying to be funny that doesn't deliver till Monday. So I've turned that down and I'm going to head to the truck stop now.